Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen, and this is how to convert MP4 to MP3. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to google.com and search for a VLC media player. And from here, just simply go to this first one, VGLAN VLC. And from here, you will have an option, download the VLC. So you can download it in multiple platforms. So I'm gonna go for Windows over here. And from here, it will be automatically be installing into your PC. Just simply wait for it to load up. And another option that you have is you can download it into the Microsoft Store by going to the search bar at the bottom left and going for the Microsoft Store and go for a VLC. And from here, you will have this VLC over here. So now from here, if you download it on the website, you just simply select the folder over here and double click on it and just simply install it into your PC by just simply providing all of the necessary information over here. And after that, just simply select next, and it will be installing into your PC. Now, once it is done, just simply select finish over here. And after that, go for the media on the top left and then go for convert/save and just simply go for the add over here and just simply select the video that you want to turn into MP3. And after that, once you have added, you will have this one over here and just simply select convert/save. So from here, just simply select profile and should be able to see here audio MP3. And after that, just simply provide the destination file. I'm gonna click browse over here and I'm gonna save it into my desktop and just simply select save and just simply select start. And after that, it will load up and just simply wait for some time. And once it's done, just simply go to the destination file that you had and you should be able to have the MP3 file. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.